This is what I call the perfect setup. It took years to get here and I'm not there yet. I think I'm only gonna keep going. I have an amazing sturdy tripod. This tripod here is a Vanguard and I love it because I can swivel my camera every way, whatever I wanna do. I also have my tethering cable. You can choose wherever, whoever, but go with Tether. The Tether Tools people, they're really awesome. And I actually have a piece under here that also helps me control this cable so that my cable is not everywhere and I'm tripping and all of that. Always good to have an additional table with you so that you can have your laptop hanging on top of. I usually bring my own, but because this is a travel, I'm on the other side of America of where I'm usually at, I just decided to not bring it along. This has been a dream come true. After meeting the great Peter Hurley, I just knew I had to change my setup. I love what he's doing, and although this is not the exact kit that he uses, I just got some ice lights from Westcott. I also have the Westcott stands along with the Westcott. This is like a dual thingamajig. I'm gonna call it thingamajig because I don't remember the name of everything, but I'm sure it'll be somewhere in the atmosphere. These lights are perfect. If you do video, even better, but for photography, I'm doing the triangle setup. And usually, normally in the past, what I would have done is I would have had my AD200 Pros pointing here, along with my modifiers, my soft boxes, and I would have a contraption, which was the eye lighter. It's, you know, something to kind of bounce the light off of. But now I have 1, 2, 3 lights. Then I cannot forget, this is like a really cool highlight. A lot of people love them. No, I'm not talking about the sneakers. I'm talking about this right here. It's a beautiful mat and it gets the job done. People love it. Also have one ice light here. These are the ice light 3s, if I'm not mistaken. And then I've got a white backdrop because that's what the client asked for, white backdrop. And yeah, this is a dream because it gets the job done and the clients love it. Now I'm off to my next shoot, so toodles.